Hello, beautiful friends. Claribel here, and today I want to talk real briefly about a friend and business owner, Heather. This is her, and this is her website. She is the creator and owner of Rebolistic Wellness, and she is a powerhouse in the health and wellness realm. And I am so ecstatic to be a part of her team. Today is not about me, it's about Heather. So I've had a conversation with her in regards to one of her retreats that she has created for us here in St. Augustine, a couples mini retreat. And I had the pleasure of expanding a conversation so she can share a little bit of insight towards what this retreat is all about and how it will benefit the amazing couples that have already purchased their tickets. And this is an opportunity to tell you guys, if you have not purchased your tickets, go ahead and do so. And this is her website right here. And I just wanted to go through her. This is Heather right here, her and her gorgeous self. And if you go under signature retreats, you go to events. This is the couples mini retreat. It's the Heart Awakening Couples Retreat. And if you listen to the short podcast, then you'll get to learn so much more about it. This is the website. Go ahead, and I would encourage you to hop on here and take a look at all the benefits. Go ahead and get your tickets. The event for this retreat is January 29th. It is a 3-hour long retreat, so get your tickets and make it a date. Come out and join us for this amazing event. I hope to see you there. Bye.